Yo, what's up, Dividend Nomads? Welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday morning here in China at 8:40 in the morning. I'm going to go through my portfolio update, share you guys what's actually in the portfolio, how much it's paid me this week so far, as well as a new addition to the portfolio, although very small. And then I'm going to take you into the spreadsheet and show you behind the scenes. So we're going to do that today. Then after that, I got to head to the gym and going to train legs today and torture myself on my birthday, because that's how I like to roll. I like to torture myself on my best day. So this chair is noisy. I should get a new chair for my birthday, what I should do. Anyway, let's record the screen. 3, 2, 1, bam. All right, we're going to open up Charles Schwab, and I'll refresh the screen for you guys. So yeah, the market is closed. Like I said, this is 8:40 in the morning here in China. So this still is the post market until 9 o'clock, I believe. So we still got 20 minutes, so it might move a little bit. See, the Dow was about 1/4% yesterday. NASDAQ, similar, about 1/4%. S&P, about 1/4%. My portfolio was just over 0.5%. $77,522 is the value. And you can see 15,263 is the amount of cash and cash investments I have. Now let's go view all the positions. There's actually 4 positions here. We've got XDTE, 931 shares. You can see this is slightly negative. We'll see on the spreadsheet what it looks like with the total return. WPAY, 449 shares, also negative, more than slightly. And then the new position I just added was Maggie, only 5 shares. I just wanted to get a starter position because it was the X date. And I said, okay, I'll just get something here just like as a placeholder. And when red days happen, I'll be buying more of this. I just don't want to deploy all my capital at once into something, because I've done that before and got burnt. So I just ease into it over time, even if that means I have to average up. That's okay. But I'll be looking to add to this on red days. When this is red, you'll see me adding to it. If you look at the very bottom, I have these 2 cash positions, SWVXX. That's Schwab's money market fund, $1 all the time, 4% annual yield. I got $5,000 there, and that just kind of just stays there for emergency cash, I guess you could say. And then actual cash on hand is $10,172, and this is the money that I'm looking to deploy into my Maggie position. And if I can break even on this WPAY, I'll get out of it. I was moving around. I'll get out of that, and I'll also deploy that money into Maggie and something else probably. I'm going to have several open spaces here. I've said many times, $100,000 or less. I like to have 5 positions, maybe 7. But so I have some empty slots here to add other things. But I need to build up this Maggie position first and figure out what to do with WPAYs. There's too many things in there that I don't necessarily like. I think it's going to get worse. So I want to get even on it before I get out, but I don't want to wait too long and get burnt really bad. So we'll see. That's what I'm working on now, though. So that's what's in the portfolio. What I want to do is share the screen with you guys on my spreadsheet and show you guys the underlying performance of this whole thing. So we'll do that now really quick, and then I'll go knock out my birthday workout. Let's see, 3, 2, 1, bam. All right, let's open this thing up, and I'll make it bigger for you. There, hopefully you can see that. So we have WPAY, Maggie, and XDTE. And there's my number of shares, the 449, my 5, and my 931, and my average share price or cost. WPAY 52.82, Maggie 54, and XDTE 44. If we go over here, we don't care about the day change. I'm not going to go over all that crap with you guys. Let's look at the returns. This is what we want to see. And the allocation, this is probably a good one to look at too. So at the top, you can see WPAY with the blue box around it there. The total return is negative almost $900. And that's a negative 3.77% on the total return. And the reason why I'm counting that because I have been reinvesting the dividends, trying to average it down. But yeah, it's 25.50 on the market return. But because all the money right now that I'm getting is staying in the portfolio, like I haven't taken any out. So I'm just going by the total return because that money's getting reinvested in the portfolio. So if I can get, even or close to even on the total return, I will get out of this and call it a day. 3.77% total return is not terrible. So I may get out of this for a loss very soon if I get a good chance. But WPAY, it can move pretty fast. Like I've seen days where it's been up over 2% in one day. So if we get one of those days, it's going to put my total return very, very close to, to getting to that flat area. And I might, if that happens, if I get lucky and that happens, then I'll get out of it at that point instead of waiting around too long. The next one is Maggie, which is brand new. So this is kind of pointless to look at because I just bought it this morning, actually. When I woke up, I bought it in the post market this morning. So, it's just not really any point of talking about this because I literally just purchased that like an hour ago. XDTE, we do have a negative market return, but the total return is positive. We're up 9.45% on total return. And the money has been staying in this portfolio, like I said. So, this one is, so we're positive on it. Let's put it that way. Total return, 11.24% for this portfolio so far, or what's just based on what's in it right now. And you can see that's $8,000. So, we need to fix this WPAY situation. And then from there, I'll decide what I'm going to do. Like I said, I'm probably going to start putting that capital into Maggie. I've always said I don't like the Mag 7, but right now in the Mag 7, you have a lot of big AI players. Your Google is big in AI. Amazon is big in AI. Meta, Microsoft. I mean, they're all big in AI. And, AI is going to continue to be growing from now until at least 2027, if not 2030. I mean, it might slow down by 2027. So we got a couple years of growth there that probably going to happen, maybe 5 years. So, I think it's probably a good idea to get in this, even though I don't love all the names in it. So that's what my thought is on that. So that's why I want to get rid of the WPAY situation there and move that money into Maggie, because WPAY has some really bad stuff in there that they can't remove, right? And it's all equal weight. And so what that does, it drags the portfolio down when you have something crappy like MicroStrategy or Coinbase, and it's got the same amount of money in it that Apple or Nvidia has. It doesn't make sense. Why would you do that? Actually, I'll show you guys real fast. Let's look at it real fast. Let's look at Round Hill. Just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I'll show you guys my meaning. If we go to this is the weekly pay ETFs. Weekly pay ETFs. Where is WPAY? Is it here? See, all these stocks here are in WPAY that you see on the screen here. This APW, et cetera, et cetera. Income ETFs. Maybe it's here. XPay. Where is WPAY? Core ETFs. Leverage ETFs. Thematic. Is it here? Or where in the hell did they put the damn thing? It's not going to be there. So it's like they buried this thing. You can't even find it. What the hell? Well, this is stupid. Forget all that. Just go down here to the bottom. See if they have a page. All right, there it is. WPAY. Man, that took forever. If you go to the top holdings, okay, we can see here. Look, Robinhood, 6%. Palantir, 5.75. Tesla, 5.7. AV Gold, 5.6. Anyway, you can see here. Look, Coinbase, 5.4%. ARM, AMD, 5%. Where's Strategy at? Let's view them all. Costco, look, they're all like, look, 4%, 4%. Nvidia is one of the best ones, and it's less than 5%. Like, what the hell are they doing? There you go, MSTR, 5%. And this is why WPAY is not performing well. Like, they have all this money in some of these crappy funds and not enough in the good ones. Like Costco is about to be in big shit now, 4% in that. Nvidia is great. They only got like 4% in that. Like, I just don't understand the logic of the equal weighting. Like, there should not be equal weight, and it's messing up the ETF. So, yeah, we're gonna get rid of this 29% here. Really fast, let's check out the dividend log. So far for the month of December, WPAY has paid me $155, which was on Wednesday, and XDTE just paid me yesterday, $286. So so far so good there. That's how much is that? I can't do math. 441. So 441 so far for the month after only the first week. And now you can see here, what's today? The 6th. Today's my birthday. I should know that. Monday, I won't get a payment here because I bought this on the X date, so I won't get it till next week. But I will get 1, 2, 3 payments from Maggie. And then WPAY is going to pay me 1, 2, 3, 4 payments probably. And XDTE, which is on Fridays, will pay me 1, 2, 3 more. Yeah, so I'll get 3 more, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more payments in this portfolio. So, yeah, we should do pretty good this month, I think. 441 so far. So that's what's going on there. Thought I'd share that with you guys. I shared with you guys my thoughts on this whole WPAY situation and the new ETF I just purchased. So, any thoughts or comments, leave them below. I'd love to hear it. I read every single one of them. I don't respond to every single one, but I do read every single one. And you can also come join us in the Discord. I'll put the link to that in the pinned comment below. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys, man. Y'all take care. I'm going to go do this leg workout and torture myself today. And I'll see you guys on the next video.